What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. All right, so goodies, first of all, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, y'all. Can you imagine? We've been doing the damn thing for Vlogmas. Today is actually the last day of Vlogmas. OMG. But y'all, your girl is tired, okay? Me not gonna even front. I'm tired. Not only am I doing this Vlogmas thing, but I'm doing a whole lot of things around me, okay? Your girl have a lot on the plate, a lot. Today was a good day. I did make dinner, and I wanted to come on here and share with you what I did make. I did tell you yesterday in yesterday's vlog that I had to stay up late and wrap the gifts. By the time I was done wrapping gifts, it was like probably 2:30 in the morning or 3 o'clock in the morning. I was exhausted. Crawled in, took a shower, and I hit the sack. When I wake up, when I opened my eye this morning, it was like 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. All right. And so I was just laying there because I was still feeling tired, even at 10:30 a.m. So I slept I just laid on there and chilled for another hour. So I got up 11:30, took a shower, had some cereal, got dressed, boom, in the kitchen. Because I wanted to make sure that I started cooking at 1 o'clock because we have guests coming over. So I made creamy pasta, creamy cheesy, whatever, pasta. And then I made brown stew chicken, made some sweet and sour chicken. I made some vegetable rice with shrimp. And I also made potato salad and some fried plantains. I also made the sorry. Remember somebody telling me I'm gonna make some sour juice, but my sour juice, me not have to do it from 10 years before because it all tastes good all in a 1 hour. Okay? So that's what I did. That's what I did. So right now it is presently, I did have some more cake, y'all. That cake that I made for y'all, get a rum cake, it's almost done. Well, this is the third one. The third cake that I made, and it is finished. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. That's all I have left from the get a rum cake. Okay? Get a rum cake. Done. Y'all, everybody love me get a rum cake. Oh my goodness. Get a rum cake. Block cake. Fruit cake, rum cake, get a style. Love it. So, yeah, they had a blast with that thing. All right, so let me show you what I made. All right, so I'm already showing the get a rum cake. And let me show you what I made. All right, so this is the macaroni I said, right? I made that is very creamy. You know, lots of cheese in there. Made it from scratch. Yeah, that's really good. All right, so I have this here. And then this is my potato salad. I think I shared this recipe with you guys already. This one here. All right, with this kind of a potato. All right. This is what I made. Quite a bit of leftovers here, right? All right, and then I have some sweet and sour chicken left over also. All right, they went in on that sweet and sour chicken, as you can see, right? And then over here, I have the shrimp. This is not shrimp fried rice, you guys, because it's not fried. The rice is cooked. The veggies are steamed. Everything is done separately. And all I do is add the shrimp to it. Very good. And I know that I showed you guys how to make this. It's really nice. Everybody love it. Love it, love it. I didn't make any rice and peas because I did make rice and peas 2 days ago, and I still have rice and peas in my refrigerator. Still have rice and peas in here, y'all. This is a pot of rice and peas here. This is curry chicken. Still have curry chicken in here, okay? So there's absolutely no need to do all of that. I did make 2 jugs of the sour juice, right there, so. That's absolutely divine. All right, and then I did make some brown stew chicken right there. Brown stew chicken. This is the way that I showed you guys how Jamaican restaurants or how Jamaican, restaurants make Jamaican style brown stew chicken. That is exactly how it's done. And then I do have some plantains here also. Can't do without that, right? As far as drink is concerned, I have the Canadian Dry. And then I do have some Sprite. And of course I have liquor downstairs. And I'm drinking my ginger ale in here. But yeah, you guys, that's what's popping here. That is exactly what's popping. It is what it is, and it do what it do. But I was like so tired, y'all. I was tired as hell. Last night, when I hit the bed, I was tired. And right now, I'm literally, you can see in my eyes, I'm tired. But I have after this, I have one more thing to do as far as content is concerned. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself, you guys. I keep saying that, but I really truly am very proud of myself to accomplish doing Vlogmas on this channel, how to cook, because I have never done this. I never thought that I would be able to upload a video every single day on this channel, and I'm super proud of myself for doing that. And I do hope that you guys are very appreciative of these videos, you know what I mean? Because I did do it. I did it, y'all. I did it. But yeah, husband went out for a minute to pick up some coffee, and then I'm gonna get me a cappuccino. Drink my cappuccino. Will you get the cappuccino or the coffee? You can pass it for me, baby, please. Thank you. Yeah, yo. So I got my cappuccino, and I'm gonna drink this baby here. I think my husband is going to watch the game. The game is on right now. But for me, I'm gonna go upstairs. Future's already fed. Let me save this out. Yeah, this is good. I'm gonna add some more something to it though, you know. It kind of tastes water down like a bit. Yeah. I'm gonna add some more something to it, make it bring it up to my taste buds. But yeah, y'all, it was just a blessed day overall. Even though I'm tired, it was still a blessed day. Let me show you guys my tree. All right, so that is my tree. My tree is pretty good. I've had this tree for about, I'll say 5-6 years or more. 7 years, who knows. I feel like this tree is tired right now. So I'm definitely going to give it away and invest into another tree for this coming Christmas, if God spare my life. I need another tree because the lights are acting up on this one. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep this tree up because husband did say to keep the tree up there for New Year's. So we'll keep the tree up there. And right after New Year's, then I'll go ahead and take the tree down. I do have some more gifts over here. We do have guests coming. Guests are run late, so we do have some guests coming over to open their gifts. I'll probably be in my bed when they're doing that. But as far as I'm concerned, you guys, I'm just going to watch a movie and chill. In a minute. Husband I'll come in here so come watch him game. But me, I'm gonna be up out of here, okay? I'm definitely gonna be up out of here. I do have a few dishes to wash in the sink. Because you know, good girl no keep dirty plate in a sink, right? So I'm definitely gonna do that. Y'all, I am so damn sleepy. I know if I go lay down right now, I know I'm gonna be falling asleep. But I can't go fall asleep right now because I do have like a couple of things to do. Husband is going back to work in the morning, so I have to make him a lunch box for lunch in the morning, and then I have to put away those food in the refrigerator. Can't leave them out on the island because they're going to spoil if I do. And then, thank God I don't have to do any big, massive cleanup in the sink because I did use paper plates. So I have to make sure that I do that before I go upstairs. And on top of that, like I said, I have like 2 or 3 more things to do otherwise from doing that. So my night is not done yet. It looks pretty late, but it's still early. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. It's probably like 7 something. It's still early, you guys. It does look late. I'm cool. But yeah, I just want to come on here and just say thank you so much for being a part of VLOGMAS. Thank you for all my newbies that came on the train when I first started this VLOGMAS. So thank you guys so much. And thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the subscribes. Thank you for all the shares. Thank you. And thank you. And a massive, big shout out to all of my old-time goodie. But they are with me from a long time. Una they are ride with me from how long. No matter when I upload, I'm still there. So big up on a nice, clean, beautiful self. Una don't know say. I love her. Every time I love her straight. Okay? Una don't know. I not debate it. Una don't know say I love her. Una know say I have mad love for her. Una know say I have won't respect for her. Okay? Thank you for supporting and loving what I do here on the channel. Life is Juliana and How to Cook channel, because I know a lot of you guys follow me over there too, okay? So big up on yourself straight. Again, Merry Christmas. All right? I hope that you guys had all the fun, and I hope you guys did also receive all the gifts that you wanted, but I also hope that you guys remember the meaning of today. All right? And with that being said, you guys, your girl tired. All right, we're going to definitely be bringing at least 3 videos a day, because if I do 7, I know I could do 3. So comes this week, start this week, but I'm definitely going to give you guys another content or 2 more, but definitely officially starting in January. It's going to be 3 videos every single week because we can't do it, right? And with that being said, tell a friend to tell a friend. Bring them come good and send them come, because I'm waiting. I'm wanting to get done doing that. Tell me, what I want to see me cook next time in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy.